Sovereign gold bonds undoubtedly are the best way to invest in gold. Watch this video and you will come to know why. Now, what are the different ways in which you can invest in gold? You can invest in gold in physical form like gold bars, gold coins, or even gold jewelry. Or you can invest in gold in demat or paper form like gold mutual funds, gold ETFs, even digital gold. And then there is this one special unique way of investing in gold, and that is sovereign gold bonds. And why sovereign gold bonds are the best way compared to any other way of investing in gold? Because in case of any other way of investing in gold, you only get gold price appreciation as your returns. But in sovereign gold bonds, you not only get gold price appreciation as your returns, but you also get additional 2.5% per annum fixed interest on your investment amount. In both cases, you are exposed to same risk, that is gold price movement, but in sovereign gold bond, you are getting 2.5% per annum returns higher compared to any other way of investing in gold. You are getting better risk adjusted returns. Secondly, in case of any other way of investing in gold, you end up paying 20% with indexation as capital gain tax on your gold price appreciation. Whereas in case of sovereign gold bonds, the capital gain tax on maturity for individual is zero. Even if your gold price doubles during your investment period, the capital appreciation that you make, you still don't end up paying any tax on that. You don't even pay TDS, that is tax deducted at source, on the interest income that you generate from your sovereign gold bonds. In short, they are highly tax efficient way of investing in gold. Sovereign gold bonds are also listed on exchange. So this makes them very liquid form of investments because you can sell these bonds anytime on the exchange and get back your money. You are not even concerned about purity because the government guarantees that the amount that you will receive on maturity will be as per prevailing 999 purity gold prices at the time of maturity, which means you are not concerned about maturity. Unlike in physical gold, when you're holding that, the purity is sometimes questionable. Apart from this, these sovereign gold bonds are securely held in your demat, so there is no risk of theft compared to physical gold, where a lot of times you are worried that what if your gold gets stolen. And to safeguard against that, most of the time people put that physical gold in bank lockers, but then you have to incur storage costs because bank locker charges are also very high. Now, no such storage costs are there in case of sovereign gold bonds. Also, when you invest in gold in form of jewelry, you end up paying 15 to 20% of your gold value as making charges. Now, no such making charges are there in sovereign gold bonds. In gold ETFs and mutual funds, you also have to pay management fees. Now, no such fund management fee is there in case of sovereign gold bonds. And these sovereign gold bonds can also be used as collateral at the time of taking loans. And that's another advantage of these sovereign gold bonds. So therefore, undoubtedly, sovereign gold bonds is the best way to invest in gold. But why should you invest in gold in the first place? The answer is diversification. Don't keep all your eggs in one basket. And that's why you have to diversify your investment across different assets like stocks, bonds, debentures, real estate, and gold. As a standard asset allocation, usually financial planners recommend that at least 10 to 15% of your investment portfolio should be in gold. For example, at the end of March 2020, equity stock markets fell by almost 40 to 50% because of the coronavirus pandemic. But at the same time, because gold has got safe haven appeal, it appreciated by almost 50 to 60%. So someone having only pure equity portfolio would have been staring at huge losses at that time. But someone having equity plus little bit of gold in their portfolio, then the losses on their equity investment would have got compensated to some extent by the gains that they would have made on their gold investments. So this is just an example of why diversification is important and why it is important to add assets like gold in your portfolio for diversification. The second common reason why people buy gold is that it is the best hedge against inflation. Till 1972, the amount of currency that a nation could print depended on how much gold that nation had. But in 1972, US President Nixon removed dollars from gold standard. This means now they can print dollars as much as they want. Theoretically, the dollar supply can be unlimited. What does this mean is that dollar is going to continuously depreciate over year on year. or over a period of time. And this means that gold is continuously going to appreciate. It's not that the gold is going up, it is just that your dollar or purchasing power of dollar is going down. You need more and more dollars to buy the same quantity of gold year on year. So in short, basically the point is that gold is considered as best hedge against loss of purchasing power of your currency. That is, it is the best hedge against inflation. And that is another reason why people add gold to their portfolio, because it is considered as store of value and hedge against inflation. So if you are looking to invest in gold, then now with this discussion, you know that sovereign gold bonds are the best way to take exposure to gold. And if you are looking to invest in sovereign gold bonds, then you can click on the link below in the description box, which will take you to the platform of IIFL Securities, where you can conveniently buy your sovereign gold bonds online. And the icing on the cake of buying gold or buying sovereign gold bonds online is that you also get rupees 50 per gram discount on the gold price for having bought that sovereign gold bond online. So do click that link and buy your sovereign gold bonds in case if you're looking for gold investments. And thank you so much for watching this video.